Yikes, that hurt. I bought a solar system from Harbor Freight. A charge controller, a couple lights, small inverter, it's a battery. These are the panels. So what I'm going to do is build a metal frame for it. I'm going to put it up there. There we go. I did draw up some plans on the computer. Here they are. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so I'm going to try a cut right now with the chalk line and we'll see. Let me set up for that. All right, I'm going to cut my first piece. So I can't really see the chalk line too well, so I'm going to use soapstone. All right, so I've got my first piece of C-channel here. Not a satisfied customer. My broom broke right there. It's splitting. So I'm gonna cut off a piece of metal and see if I can weld it back together. This is a great welder. It has one flaw. You have to turn it on. But let's see if it works. Seems to be okay. I'll call this one finished. Let's see here. All right, we're gonna take our piece and we'll just do a dry run here. said than done. Okay. It looks to, I mean, I wish it was a little deeper. Let's see. Let me look over here. And then I'll slide these in from the top. Okay, take that off. That was weird. Oh. I forgot to ground it. All right, I know that was not a clean weld, but I had burned a hole, so I wanted to fill it while the metal was still hot. All right, not the best weld ever, but man, that part you're not gonna see. It's still a little warm. All right, we're gonna try to finish up this frame. Here we go. Square it up and then weld some cross beams. All right, let's take a close-up look here. There we go. All right, we got one angle frame in. Let's put the other one in. All right. This is the back. So I put the panels in just to make sure that they all fit before I put the cross beam in. And they do fit. And then cut a cross beam. And this is what's going to go on next. That on. That'll keep them from coming out this way. All right, this is the top piece that's going to keep the panels from falling out forward. Okay, so I just went up on the roof and I saw that it has an 18-degree pitch. So I drew an 18-degree angle. Now I'm going to cut it. Corner there. There we go. Now I've got the pitch of the roof. I'm gonna cut off a 6-inch piece of this, and then I'm going to weld it like that, and then this will act as a foot that holds up the tail end of the solar array. Okay, so I got to cut off 6 inches. That sounds scary, but it's metal. Go like that. Ow! Yikes, that hurt. Okay, so here's my foot, and it goes right there. And then this will screw into the roof. All right? There's a ball. All right, let's go give it a try. Make sure it works. All right, before this battery dies again, there's the panels. Okay, my controller. There's the charge controller, and if it was charging, there would be an arrow pointing towards the battery. Actually, sorry, there's the panels pointing towards the battery. LED light. That's it.